Good morning, students. In continuation of first PC structure of an atom, photoelectric effect. Okay, Einstein explained. Einstein had. Okay, all those are explained this photoelectric concept. For the explanation of quantization of energy in Planck's quantum theory. Okay, one of the demerit of Planck's quantum theory is it fails to explain quantization of energy. For the explanation of that quantization energy, John Einstein introduced one more concept that we call as photoelectric effect. What is the photoelectric effect? See the definition. The ejection of electrons instantly when sunlight falls down on surface of metal. We call as photoelectric effect. The ejection of electrons instantly when sunlight falls down on surface of the metal. Okay, called as photoelectric effect. See, this is a metal surface. Okay, this is the one metal surface. Just sunlight fall down on this metal surface. Sunlight indicated with Hg. Instantly we observe the ejection of electrons. This is called photoelectric effect. This photoelectric effect shown by metals. What are the metals? What is the meaning of metal? The element which has capability to lose electron easily, called as metal. We call as metal. Okay, here first group elements, second group elements, sum of d block elements shown this photoelectric effect. What are the here first group elements: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Beryllium, second group, magnesium, calcium, strontium, radium. D block elements means gold, platinum, silver, tungsten, all those. Shows here this photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect, that means electron using nature gradually increases from top to bottom. Why? Because the size of an atom increases. That's why the electron using nature or photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect nature increases. Photoelectric effect nature. Electric effect directly proportional to the size, atomic radius or atomic size. That means cesium is there, lithium is there. Two atoms are present here. Cesium more atomic size than lithium, so cesium has more photoelectric effect nature than the lithium. Here photoelectric effect shown by this characteristic property of metals only. It never show by the non-metals. Next, in continuation, this photoelectric effect explained in the laboratory by by the one electric discharge method. This method explained by Hertz in 1887. Actually, before the Planck's theory he explained, but why electrons ejected from metal surface he failed to explain. That concept explained by Einstein in 1920 after the Planck's quantum theory. Okay, see that this experiment already explained in last video, but one video contains one concept. From today onwards I will explain like that only. Okay, here took the one glass electric tube, discharge tube. Okay, here we arrange the, this is the metal surface. Metal surface here. Okay, here we have the detector. This detector connected to ammeter. In ammeter we observe the electricity or flow of electrons. Here anode, cathode. When this is the completed tube experiment, when sunlight fall down on metallic surface, this metallic surface. Okay, we observe the ejection of electrons. These electrons, these are the ejected electrons. This is detector. These ejected electrons bombardment with the detector. When it bombardment with the detector, okay, here we observe the flow of electrons in ammeter. Okay, this experiment will finish within 10 to 15 minutes. This is we called as electric discharge method. Here electrons coming into the one end and move into the ammeter and get discharged. Okay, here anode. Okay, this is the one method, electric method explained by Hertz. And some questions are there here. Why electrons are ejected? When electrons are ejected from the metal surface, what type of reactions, what type of concepts observed here? Those concepts explained by Einstein. Einstein explanation. Okay, every metal has capability to accept one frequency. Of light. That frequency of light, suppose for example, potassium is there. Potassium has acceptance capacity of yellow color light. The energy of this, the frequency of the yellow color light is nearly 5.1 into 10 to the power of 15 hertz. Okay, here for red color light, 4.4 into 10 to the power of 15 frequency. Okay, when we pass the VGR through this potassium, it absorbs only yellow color. That means in the presence of yellow color only it shows photoelectric effect. In the presence of yellow color only it shows photoelectric effect. Okay, it doesn't explains or shows photoelectric effect under the red color light. Under the red color light. Why? The potassium characteristic frequency, absorbance frequency is 5.0 into 10 to the power of 15. That means it absorbs only this frequency. Below this frequency, above this frequency, there is no ejection of electrons. There is no absorbance light. There is no ejection of electrons. That means there is no photoelectric effect. This characteristic frequency indicated with mu 0. This we called as threshold frequency. Every metal has capability to accept characteristic frequency. Such characteristic frequency called as threshold frequency. Okay, if any metal absorbs threshold frequency, then we only observe the ejection of electrons. Ejection of electrons. We'll see why electrons ejected when any metal absorb the threshold frequency of energy. Threshold frequency of energy. We'll see why it absorbs. Okay, here this is the metal surface. Sunlight fall down on this one, Hnu. Okay, this metal has characteristic frequency mu 0. Characteristic frequency mu 0. It absorbs one characteristic frequency and eject electrons. After the absorption of sunlight, why this metal surface use electrons? By the gaining characteristic frequency, that is threshold frequency. When it absorbs the characteristic frequency, and metal surface absorb the characteristic frequency, the kinetic energy of electrons gradually increases. Then we observe the collision between various electrons. Then electrons are escaped from the metal surface. This explained by Einstein. That means here sunlight fall down on metallic surface. Okay, here it absorbs characteristic frequency that we call the threshold frequency. By the threshold frequency, the kinetic energy of electrons increases. Kinetic energy of electrons indicate with of MeV square. Here Me is the mass of an electron. This is called mathematical expression of photoelectric effect. Mathematical expression of photoelectric effect. By the absorption of characteristic frequency, threshold frequency, the kinetic energy of an electrons increases. By increasing the kinetic energy of electrons, the collisions between different electrons increases. By increasing the collisions between electrons, electron come outside from the surface of metal or ejected from the surface of metal. Here we'll see some problems based on this photoelectric effect. Just I want to write here one problem. The threshold frequency of is mu 0 of metal is 7 into 10 to the power of 14 per second. Calculate kinetic energy of an electron emitted when radiation of frequency, here mu is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of 15 per second hits the metal. Here before seeing that problem, here we have one more important. Half mv square is equal to, this may be written like this, half mv square is equal to h nu minus h nu naught. This is also called h nu naught is also called work function. This we call work function. Why it is called work function? When an atom absorbs this frequency, then only ejection of electrons absorbed. That's why it is called work function. This may be written like this: h half mv v square is equal to h nu minus. This is also one principle. This is also one of the mathematical expression. Here what I asked, kinetic energy of electrons. What is the principle? Mathematical expression of this one is h nu is equal to h nu naught plus half mv v square. They asked half mv square complete is equal to h nu minus h nu naught is equal to h, take common as h. Here nu minus nu naught is equal to, what is the h here? H is Planck's constant. Already we know about that one. H is Planck's constant. Here h is Planck's constant. What is the value of Planck's constant? 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34. Here what is the nu? Direct they given in per second. Direct we take. Nu is the 1 into 10 to the power of 15 minus 7 into 10 to the power of 14. 7 into 10 to the power of 14. Here you take 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34. Here 1 common, but here 10 to the power of 15 is there. Here 10 to the power of 14 is there. This will be increased. That means the number moves, the decimal moves left side. Decimal moves left side means, okay, here it will change the, it becomes what? 10 to the power of 15. Decimal moves left side means you add 1. Then it becomes 1, 10 to the power of 15, 10 to the power of 15, okay, into 10 to the power of 15 minus 0.7 into 10 to the power of 15. 0.7 into 10 to the power of 15. What will get? 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into, okay, here 1 minus 0.7 means 0.3 into 10 to the power of 15 into 10 to the power of 15. Finally, we have answer. Okay, here we have the answer. What is that? 1.98 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. 10 to the power of minus 19 joules. This is the one important problem. This is the one important problem. This is about the problem. First, what is the problem? The threshold frequency of metal is 7 into 10 to the power of 14 per second. Calculate kinetic energy of an electron emitted when radiation frequency nu is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of 15. Okay, 1 into 10 to the power of 15. When it's metal. Okay, what is the mathematical expression of Einstein principle? H nu is equal to h nu naught plus half mv v square. Half mv v square is equal to h nu minus h nu naught. You take the common as a h nu minus nu naught. What is the h value? Okay, 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34. Okay, 1 into 10 to the power of 15 minus 7 into 10 to the power of 14 nu naught. Okay, here for the subtraction we should equalize them. Already we discussed all those in scientific notation. We should equalize. Which is less, that will be increase. Okay, what happens? Decimal moves. Okay, if you are increasing means you just increase here 15. Increase means here add 10 to the power of 1. Add 10 to the power of 1 means decimal moves into left side. Decimal moves into left side. Okay, will becomes here 0.7 into 10 to the power of 15. Then 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into 0.3. 1 minus 0.3 means here 1 minus 0.7. 0.3 into 10 to the power of 15. Finally, I gave final answer. You don't have calculator. This is about the calculation of threshold frequency. Calculation of threshold frequency. In continuation, we will see the one more problem. Okay, here the threshold frequency is, okay, here 7 into 10 to the power of 15 per second, and the kinetic energy of electrons is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 20 meter per second. Okay, here calculate incident sunlight. Incident radiation or sunlight. Incident radiation means should calculate hnu. What is the principle here? hnu is equal to direct principle, hnu naught plus half mv v square. Over here threshold frequency is 7 into 10 to the power of 15 per second. Planck's constant is 6.626 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into, okay, here threshold frequency 7 into 10 to the power of 15 plus half mv square 3 into 10 to the power of minus 20. 3 into 10 to the power of minus 20. Okay, here what is the value? hnu is equal nearly 6 into 6 7s are, okay, here 42 into 42 point something 9 into 10 to the power of minus 34 plus 15 plus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 20. 10 to the power of 15 means how much you will get? 42.9 into 10 to the power of minus 90 plus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 20. Okay, here 42 point, this more value increase, that means 4.29 into 10 to the power of minus 20 plus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 20. Here 4.29, okay, you calculate this one, will get just I wrote in just simple value, what we called not exact value, I wrote like this. Just you calculate this one. 4.29 into 10 to the power of minus 20, sorry, 4.29 plus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 20. 4.29 plus 3 means plus 3, 7.29 into 10 to the power of minus 20 joules. Okay, this is the threshold frequency. This is about the threshold frequency. Sorry, this is about the complete incident radiation. Incident radiation means sunlight. When this much amount of sunlight fall down on the surface of the metal, okay, the kinetic energy of this one is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 20 meter per second. And what it absorbs, threshold frequency, from this frequency it absorbs 7 into 10 to the power of 50. Okay, this is about the photoelectric effect. Complete information about photoelectric